Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chart, and first of all, you will have the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. And you will also alternate with the bass note of D. Next, the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then, the A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then, the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. And eventually, the F sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. And I suggest you play these chords like this. So for the first chord, you will alternate between the G and the D bass notes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now you move on to the second section played the same way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now, third section. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And after that, you will reach the piano solo part. Let me display the simplified chart I made for you, and you will play the D major chord like this. 1, 2, 3. So the last two fingers first, then the first finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you repeat that first section 3 times. You could also play the notes of A and F sharp if you want, and it would sound like this. Or the chord. So you play this 3 times, then the second section played the same way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you will finish the introduction with this chart and this way of playing. At this point, you can start the verse, which will be played with almost the same chart as the introduction. Let me display it to you right now, and the only change will be the repetition of the second section here 3 times instead of 2 in the introduction. Je te laisserai des mots en dessous de ta porte, en dessous de la... Second section. En dessous de la lune qui chante tout près de la place où tes pieds passent, cachés dans les trous dans le temps d'hiver. Et quand tu es... Third section. Et quand tu es seul pendant un instant, embrasse. And now you will have a new chart for the chorus, and we continue with the same method. Embrasse-moi quand tu voudras, embrasse-moi quand tu voudras, embrasse-moi quand tu voudras. So you will need to play this chart 3 times for the chorus. And here's the last chart for the final part of the piano, which will be almost identical, except that the first section will be repeated 6 times instead of 3, and you're going to finish with the D major chord played once and the F sharp major chord played once. Good luck to you, and I will see you in the next one.